Hello everyone, I am Swati. Today I am going to discuss with you all how to draw the more than type ogive. For more than type ogive, we plot a curve between the lower limits of the class interval and the cumulative frequency. On x-axis, you must have the lower limit of the class interval, and on y-axis you must have the cumulative frequency, that is CF. So for this, first we need to find out the CF. Now to finding out the CF, we must draw the table for it first. We will write here class interval. We write always more than or equal to. Your first class interval is 0 to 10, so lower limit is 0, so more than or equal to 0, then more than or equal to 10, more than or equal to 20, more than or equal to 30, then more than or equal to 40, more than or equal to 50, and then more than or equal to 60. Now how we will find out the CF for it? See here, more than or equal to 0 means this is 0 to 10. So all the frequencies, they are greater than 0. So what we will do is, we will add up all these frequencies which will come under more than or equal to 0. So 5 plus 15, 20, plus 20 is 40, plus 23 is 63, plus 17 is your 80, then 91 plus 9 is your 100. So your first CF is 100. Now more than or equal to 10. So your this class interval will be eliminated because it is less than 10. So we will take the values from here. So what I will get is, we will eliminate this 5. So 100 minus 5 is your 95. Now see the next one, more than or equal to 20. So your interval starts from here. So we will take the values from here. So we will subtract 20 out of 100. What will I get here is 80. Now more than or equal to 30. So these three class intervals will be eliminated. So you will be left with these intervals 23, 17, 11 and 9, and upper one is total is 40. So 100 minus 40 is 60. Now let's see the next interval, more than or equal to 40. So we will start from this interval, that is these three values will be included. So 17 plus 11 plus 9, it will be equal to 37. Next is more than or equal to 50. So 11 plus 9, that is 20. And then more than or equal to 60. So your last class interval only, that is 9. So now we have got the lower limit as well as CF. Now we will plot the more than type ogive. Let's draw x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis is your lower limit, and here is your CF. Now what we will have from 0, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and so on. And on y-axis you must take the proper scale. So let's take the scale of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We need till 100. So we have to extend this y-axis. So you will get y and x axis. Now let's plot the points. So your first point will be 0, 100. Then second point will be 10, 95. Third will be 20, 80. So similarly you will get the points. So let's start plotting the points. 0, 100. See, your more than type ogive, it starts from top and goes till bottom. So see, 0 on x-axis, and this is, so this point is 0, 100. Let's see second point, 10, 95. So this is 10, and here in mid it will be your 10, 95. Then is 20 and 80. So here 20, 80. Then 30, 60. So this is 30 and this is 60. So this will be 30, 60. Then 40, 37. 40 and 37 lies approximately here. So it is 40, 37. Then is your 50, 20. So 50, 20. And then is your 60, 9. So 60 somewhat approximately here. 60, 9. Now we have plotted the points. Now we will join them with a free hand. So we have got this as more than type ogive. So now to find out the median from this more than type ogive, what is the value of sum of all the frequencies is 100. Now here n is your 100, and what is n by 2? It is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to 50. So what we will see is, we will just see where your this 50 lies on y-axis. So 50 lies here. So what I will do, I will draw a line parallel to x-axis on this this graph, and then what I will do is, your line parallel to x-axis, it will intersect at some point on more than type ogive. So what I will do is, I will draw a line perpendicular from here on x-axis. So where it intersects, this point is your median. So it lies midway between 30 and 40. So this point is your 35. So the median is your 35. So you can check out by substituting the values in the formula also that the median you are getting is correct or not. So what you have to do is, first of all, you are given the class intervals, and when you are given the class intervals, then you have to find the CF out of it, and how you have to write is more than or equal to 0. When you are making the table for less than type, so you always write less than this, but in more than type you have to write more than or equal to 0. Whatever is the class interval, then you have to write the corresponding cumulative frequencies, and then you have to plot the points on the graph for more than type ogive. Then you have to plot the points, join the points, which we call it as a cumulative frequency polygon. Then to find out the median for it, what I will do is, I will divide the sum of all the frequencies by 2. Whatever the value I will get, then I have to plot that point on y-axis. Then you have to draw a line parallel to x-axis, from where this point it will intersect on more than type ogive, and then you have to draw a line perpendicular on x-axis, where this x-axis intersects, that point is your median. So this is how we find out the more than type ogive, or to plot the more than type ogive, and to find out the median out of it. Thank you everyone.